All right, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Today I'm in my 2006 Lincoln Mark LT, same thing as Ford F-150, and I want to show y'all something and how to fix this. Now I try to start up my truck here. It starts up and it dies out, and now it doesn't want to start. So I'm gonna show y'all what you have to do, and it's starting to rain pretty hard, but I'm gonna do this anyway. All right, as you can see right here, this is your fuel pressure module or something like that. I can't remember the proper terms. If you look closely, you can see like corrosion and stuff at the bottom here. Excuse the lighting. I'm underneath here and I don't have the proper stuff because I'm at work trying to get my truck fixed. But we're gonna change this out. And these are size 10, I believe 10 mil there. And all you gotta do is take this harness off, and I'm gonna be back with you guys. All right, I just installed this module here. So this is how it should look. As you can see, it's not touching the frame. That's what rotted them out. And I'm gonna show you the old one I just took off. But all it is the new bolts is a size 10, and the original ones are size 8. So make sure you have an 8 mil and a 10 mil. And all you have is that harness right there as well. Just pull that out. And it should look like this. Make sure it's up. Don't have it touching. But we're about to see if this fixed the problem. All right, let's see. As you can see, it cranked right up. Let's see if we can do it again. We're gonna turn it off, start it back up. See, before it would not do that. But don't change your fuel pump before you check this out, because they will charge you a whole bunch of money for no reason. And another symptom is I was burning gas like crazy. So if you had that first symptom when I started up and it shut right back off, and this also is a code P1237. So if you're getting that code, you want to check this out. Or you drive a mile and it stalls out and you're getting poor gas mileage, make sure you check this out.